Yes, officer, I'm calling up because I'm at the post office and there are 4 people here and they're recording me. And I don't know what to do. I'm just pissed off in life in general, but this is really taking it over the top for me.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.
What's that?
So, you could be terrorist or anything.
Until
we don't know who you terrorist. Okay. You could be terrorist.
Terrorist?
Okay,
no. Terrorist?
Yeah, you could be terrorist trying to set up something here. We don't know who you are. You're in here recording everybody.
I ask you to step out, please, until I get clear.
Veteran.
Yeah, good. God bless you.
Veteran with medal.
Thank you for your service.
But don't record me. Don't record me because it's going to be a problem. It's getting ready to be a problem.
What kind of problem?
If he records me again, it's going to be a problem.
I know, but what kind?
It's going to be a big problem.
What, you going to hit him?
Okay, I need everybody to go outside, please. Everybody with the camera. Until I get clearance from my supervisor, you do not belong in here.
My name is Demar.
Okay, write it down for him.
Write it down, call the cops.
Write it down so they can call the police. That's what I ought to do, call the police and do like you motherfuckers do. Man. I'm being harassed by... Hey, don't record me. When I say don't record me, man. Don't record me. I'm asking you, don't record me. It's gonna be a problem. Don't record me.
It's gonna be a battery.
No, tell him don't record me. Just tell him don't record me.
It's his First Amendment right to record. Calm down.
I asked him not to record me.
You can ask him not to do that, bro, but don't touch his stuff. The moment you touch his stuff, that's all they're gonna care about, bro, is you destroying his property.
I'm not touching nothing, but don't record me.
Good morning.
Hi.
Thank you for waiting. Do you want to send this express mail overnight?
No. What are the cheapest things? What are these guys doing? They're videoing your parking lot too.
In 3 days.
These guys videotaping in here? They're videoing the parking lot?
Okay. This answers the question. Do you have any liquid drugs?
Come on, put this out.
Just the boxer?
The bottom of the, huh? Yeah, that guy's mask. Pretty sure.
$7.95. Any $4 in here? You want to hold that? Go ahead. And you have a grant.
Okay.
Sure.
No, it's a federal installation. You're not supposed to be able to videotape, right? Wearing an unprofessional mask like that, you should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm totally ashamed. You gotta cry in the corner now.
Yeah. Would you do 2 years in the National Guard?
I did 2 years with your girl.
Thank you.
Let's go, sir. Do you have any questions or anything?
No, we're good. Thank you.
Okay.
Maybe that guy does.
Yeah, he's being helped right now.
No, this guy.
You want a big card for this one?
Yeah,
I don't understand what your problem is. Why are you videotaping in here?
because it's federal law, we're allowed. It says right so on the poster 7 right there.
Hey, that's cool, man. Yeah.
You can choose that. If you don't want to be filmed, you can actually let them know, and they won't film you.
Oh man, that was funny.
Anybody in line picking up mail? Picking up a package?
We're good.
We just come in to just take a quick video, get some B-roll footage. We go to all the post offices all over the country. This is our first time in sunny Southern California.
Yeah, we just want to make sure you guys uphold your poster 7. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Some places don't.
Yeah.
We have to put them up if they don't have.
It's a test. It's a test, you know. And you're the supervisor here? Okay, so this individual here maybe needs to be educated that he's telling customers that if they don't want to be filmed, they tell us they don't want to be recorded and we won't record them.
If they want to leave, they can leave.
Right,
so yeah. As long as you guys have what you need.
Yeah. So just let him know, because that stirs things up. He doesn't need to tell people that which is incorrect. Okay. Have a good one.
You too. Lisa, did you help them?
It's this gentleman right here.
See what you guys are doing. I got no beef, no drama. I just don't get it. You're just harassing people for no reason.
Well, I was going to speak to you, but now when you're talking, we're harassing. We don't.
I'm not going to talk to you with your camera in my face. I'm sorry.
Well, why are you coming over to me? You want attention? Here it is, man.
I don't want attention.
Well, then leave. Then leave.
I don't think that's how this works, shipmate.
Oh shit.
I'm not your shipmate. Go in there and cry more. Go in there.
I will. Thank you.
Go in there and cry.
Thank you for your support.
You got it. Who dressed? Tell your mother to dress you better next time.
We don't support crybabies.
Hey, guess what?
What?
You have no idea.
I do have an idea. You're a Karen.
You're a Karen.
You're a Karen.
You're a Karen.
Have a good day, Karen.
You're an asswipe, shipmate, shipmate. Yeah.
You're the one that started the problem.
Dress for success, buddy, and pull up your pants.
No, last time I sent one, only one went, both of them, but I just wanted to.
See how it's none of your business to be here doing this?
It is my business.
How is
my
that?
job.
Is it? Who do you work for?
None of your business.
Oh, really?
If you're gonna get in line, go ahead.
Well, you're kind of in the way, and it's like the 6 foot thing. Are you in line?
She's not in line.
Oh, she's not in line either.
I'm not in line.
What the crap are y'all doing?
No. We're gonna get a camera.
So these guys right here are in the post office videoing everyone that comes in.
Look at you're in the post office doing that too. Irony, isn't that good?
Later.
Logic.
No word.
Woo! Irony.
Logic.
Yep. And I'm gonna call the cops as soon as I walk out the door.
Oh no, not the cops! Not the cops!
You're harassing.
Not the
This
cops!
is
Yes, officer, I'm calling up because I'm at the post office and there are 4 people here and they're recording me. And I don't know what to do. I'm just pissed off in life in general, but this is really taking it over the top for me. Now, I can't even hold my package long enough that tears are coming out of my eyes because they're sending me here. And I don't know what the God I'm going to do. I don't know how I'm going to go on with my life. I don't know what the next step, where I'm going to go. Do I go with my left foot right or my right foot left? Please, tell me what I need to do so this doesn't torment me for the rest of my life. People are out in public filming. Can you please get somebody out here to assist me? Please, please, hurry, hurry, hurry. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whatever you can do to save me from this horrible ordeal. We certainly, my family, my cousins, my nephews, everybody thanks you. Please, get out here immediately.
Fuck off.
100.
Why would you tell me to fuck off? You should have told your barber that at Supercuts, fool.
Don't film me.
Okay, I'm calling the police.
You go ahead.
Police.
You touched
I'm calling
me.
the police. No.
You call him.
Okay.
You touched me.
Sure.
You touched him. You touched me. We got it on film, fuckhead.
Film inside also.
You're such a dumbass.
You know, I don't fucking care.
Then
you
why
know?
are you talking?
Huh?
Why are you running your mouth?
You know, because I told you.
Fuck
because
off,
you
dude.
were disrespectful to the other people.
I wasn't disrespectful.
Yes, you were.
You shouldn't have touched him, man.
He didn't
You
touch
shouldn't
him.
have broken my
He
leg.
didn't touch
It's on
him.
camera.
Yeah, it's on camera. Him going like this to the camera.
So
I saw it. I
He
saw
bumped
it.
heads
I
with him.
saw you put it right up to his face. Yo, everything I saw. Yo, everything I saw. Yo, everything I saw.
You didn't
Never
bump his
touched
head?
him.
You touched him first.
Hey,
I'm a witness. Yo, everything I saw. I'm sure there's lots of witnesses
sure,
here.
sure.
You're a bad guy.
Not only
You're
you're a
a
bad guy.
bad guy.
Yeah,
I don't know why you're standing here doing this.
Are we waiting for the police or what?
Well, tell him to stop.
That didn't go the way you thought it'd go, did it?
I'm calling the police.
Good, because he's going to jail. Yes, he
You gonna come at me?
no, I'm just looking
I'm
at
gonna
you.
start filming too.
Here we go. Hit me.
No.
Hit me.
Hit me.
Hit me. Hit
Hit
me.
me.
Hit me. Hit me. See you later. Should have never fucking touched me with your head, dude. Go fuck yourself. You're going to jail.
He did not
And that's-
hit you. You hit him.
Because I had my glasses
I watched
on.
it. And stop getting in the fucking...
Miss Precious just tried to bite Baba Yaga's phone. All I can say is this couple are meant for each other.
He's not going. So what would you like to do?
So I don't... This guy is crazy. I don't want him knowing what car I drive. I don't know what he's capable of.
Look, he wants you.
Now listen to this cop make up a false narrative, and the police wonder why they're hated by the community.
To get me to go into a physical altercation with him so he can sue the police department, and sue you people, and sue everybody else. That's the game. Alright? He wants to come into the post office, create havoc with his film so he can sue anybody that touches him or causes any kind of problem. Okay? And then he's going to say it's his public right to sue people, to film anybody he wants in public. Okay.
So this narration.
Nobody can do anything about that. I get it. Well, this is what they do.
8AEN057.
Officer, you hear him citing my license. Isn't there something wrong with that?
I can't do anything about it. He knows that. That's what he's doing. He's upset. Now it's a get your car and just leave. That's what I got to do.
Just go home.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.